Thus, today I have been provided a free internet service by Internet Express. I am thankful of them. I am thankful of IT Department Minister Rohan Khote sir for approaching the Internet Express Department for giving me this Wi-Fi. I am thankful of them. I am thankful of Sri Sagar Goegar sir for providing me this internet service.
Some days back, Daksh had put a video saying that the internet was a problem here. And one of the first things, Minister forwarded me the video and said, "What are you doing?" And we said, "Let's ask Sagar. He will tell us whether we can get connection or not." His first step was, of course, we can give connection. Somehow we will provide connection. So, in 2 days' time, we are here at his house with connectivity. First, I'd like to congratulate Sagar for coming so deep in the village. Okay. Traveling itself, it took 1 hour from Porvorim, 1.5 hours in fact. So you know how deep inside this place is. Absolutely no coverage, no range, no towers. To get internet connectivity in this place is really a challenge. And I'm very happy for that he can study now. And and I'm hoping I can see your results. Result should be good now. Okay, I'm happy that we could give connections so deep in Goa. And going ahead, I'm really inspired to see how we can do this across Goa, that the last mile, what we call Har Ghar Fiber, should be achieved. I think it's a minister's dream that every household in Goa should get the last mile connectivity. Internet should be available at every house. He says like a tap and electricity is there in every house. So internet connection also should be an essential service which is there in every house. This is a minister's dream, and I'm happy it got fulfilled in this house. Okay, and I again thanks Sagar and Internet Services for coming all the way to this deep location, and you are also showing us a way how we can go ahead with our project, our dream of providing Har Ghar Fiber. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your inspiration.
Yeah. On Rohan sir's request, we have given this service lifetime free. Enjoy it.
Yes, I think that is a very good step.
80% मार्क्स घेतलेले आमी SSC तेका स्वतःक चलोवंक जायना, गाडी चलोवंक जायना, भायर वचून खंय जर नेटवर्क घेतलो म्हटल्यार तशें काय तेजे कडेन शक्य जायना. तेंची ती कळकळीची विनंती आमच्या गोंय राज्याचो IT मिनिस्टर रोहन खंवटे हेणी पयले आनी हेणी म्हाका कॉल केलो, तुमी कितें करूं शकता हेच्या लागून. सो हांवें विदावट वेस्टिंग सिंगल सेकंड हांवें पयले दिवस म्हटले. सो आमचे कडेन हांगा पावला पावूंक ना हांव जाणा कोळगांव आमचो नेटवर्क पावला हें जाणा हांगा, म्हणजे हेचे घरा पासून कितले पयसा लागया पयसा आय डोंट नो, बट करुया म्हणून हें केलें आनी केले आमी ते रोखडेच आमचे टिमींग सांगले अशें अशें आहा अशें पळय कशें जातलें पळय तें. आनी तेचे जाले आतां 2 दीस जाले आमी टेस्टींग केलें. सो तेका नेटवर्कूय मेळ्ळो. सो आमचे IT मिनिस्टरान परत सांगलें आमी पावल्ले आहा, तुमी केन्ना येता पळय तें सांगा, तुमीच मेळ्ळ्यार बरें पडटलें तेंकां आनी तुमच्या हातीनसूनच हें घडोवन वचली म्हणून. आतां एसेंब्लीन आसा, एसेंब्ली चालू आहा, तेका येवंक मेळोंक ना, पूण तिणें आपल्या OSD नेवील बाब पिल्लो आहा तेका स्पेशली धाडला मेळपाक लागून, खबर घेवपाक लागून, आनी पावल्लो आसा. आनी हांव हेचे फुडलें तेचें शिक्षण बरे भाशेन जावनी, बरो शिकोवनी, बरो शिकतात तो. तेणी हांवें आयकलें तेणी कॉमर्स घेतलेलें आहा. आय एम शुअर तो CA जावंक सोदता. सेम रे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटंट जावंक सोदता. आनी आय विश यू बेस्ट ऑफ लक.